Ever found yourself navigating through angles for SAP and wondering where to find quick help or resources? Well, worry no more. Let's dive into the details. Understanding how to navigate any platform can often feel like you are solving a puzzle. That's why we have included a help icon on every page. Just a click, and you will find the Resource Center, your ultimate destination for all guidance and support needs. Here, you'll find key resources handpicked just for you. Let's take a closer look. The landing page has 3 filters: articles, guides, and videos below the search bar. Whether you like reading, following guided tours, or watching videos, we have options to cater to your preferences. Refine your selection by clicking on guides and videos to filter them out. Delve into context-sensitive articles offering insights and solutions precisely where you require them. The search bar streamlines information retrieval, making it effortless to find what you need. Use the guides for a step-by-step walkthrough that welcomes you to the product, helping you understand how to navigate further. It's like having a virtual guide right at your fingertips. Next up, we have videos that offer visual insights into the features you're exploring. Simply click, watch, and enhance your understanding. But wait, there's more. Explore the Other Resources section for documentation, idea submission, or reaching out to our support team. Your journey is not just about using the platform, it is about having the support you need along the way. And there you have it, the Resource Center, your compass in the world of angles for SAP navigation. If you found this sneak peek intriguing, dive into the Resource Center on your next visit.